I'd do it for him, and I would do it again. I'd do it for him, that is to say, I'll do it for them. Keep myself strong, keep my mind in focus. As she's fighting upwards, love will be my key. 1 day, 2 days, will the time pass faster? And as she's fighting upwards, keep my chains on her. Keep myself strong,
Weak.
keep my mind in focus.
Pathetic.
And as she's fighting upwards,
Useless! Do you think you can win?
1 day, 2 days.
Yes, but you cannot hold me forever. Everything you lack, everything you want, you'll give to me on the battlefield when everything is chaos. And you'll be nothing but an empty shell. Your power, mind to control. Just think about the lives I'll take, my glory after the war. And I do it for me. That's how I know I can win. I do it for me, that is to say, I'll escape the sea. Deep down, you know, you weren't built for fighting.
But that doesn't mean I'm not prepared to try. What you don't know is my real advantage. When you've been forsaken, you're prepared to die. Deep down, I know that I'm just one weak
Exactly,
gem,
but I know that she could keep me chained despite.
With my short existence,
No,
I can make a difference.
you can't!
I will stay here for him, I can make this right. I could do it for him, and I would do it again. I do it for him, and now I'll say I'll do it for them.
Into Malachite.
Admirable attempt. I liked it.
Attempt? Wait. Malachite. So we have like many. You're in front. We have like many feet and arms. I don't know what's happening.
Beautiful. That's exactly what malachite looks like.